Hello and welcome to this lesson on web apps, which is part of App Service. A web app is associated with an App Service plan and can be moved to another App Service plan if required. When the app runs, it runs on all VM instances in the underlying App Service plan, so everything in the App Service plan scales together. If you have an App Service plan that supports deployment slots, then all deployment slots that you configure also run on all VMs in your App Service plan. Here are some tutorials on Microsoft Learn, with 2 of them from the AZ-104 course. Let's consider some implementation details. The exam doesn't ask you about precise command syntax, but you should roughly remember the most important web app commands, and that is AZ web app up, which will create the web app if it is not already present, so kind of a quick start command, and AZ web app deployment source config zip. Quite a long command here. That last one also goes by the name zip deploy, and you could also use the REST API with curl to achieve the same effect. Before we close this lesson, let's visit the web jobs. Web jobs are suitable for background work, including asynchronous, event-based and scheduled processing. Web jobs come in 2 flavors, continuous and triggered. For continuous web jobs, we have that one job instance runs on every VM in the plan. Also important to remember is that you can only remote debug these continuous web jobs. For triggered web jobs, we further distinguish between manually triggered web jobs, event-based web jobs, and scheduled web jobs. For event-based web jobs, we are talking about event-based triggers like a new item in a storage account or a new entity in Cosmos DB, but also webhook invocations. Like for web app, we also have a nice web jobs tutorial for you on Microsoft Learn. So this marks the end of our lesson, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.